Now see the some basic questions on the surface area and volume of class 10th mathematics. So we have to only today videos will only explain the how we apply the formulae for the questions. You also solve in class 9th some basic question. If I say 3 cubes, of 216 centimeter cube each volume is 216 centimeter cube each are joined end to end. So find the volume of resulting cubite. So let's see. If I say 3 cube, is a 1 cube. Same. Second cube and the third cube. Side A, breadth A, height A, here also A, here also A. So if you see the figure, so what you observe that if 1 cube edge is A unit and we join the 3 cube together, so only length is changed. Only length is changed, breadth and height are same. So first we find the value of A for this. So volume of cube 216, normal basic formula A cube is equal to 216. So A is equal to cube root of 216. Many students I have seen not unable to solve this cube root. So only find the prime factor of 216. Just like this, 254, 27, 9, 3. Then if root power is 3, so group of 3, one from here outside. 6 centimeter is the edge of 1 cube. So length of cubite, what you get? A plus A plus A means 18 centimeter and breadth 6, height 6. Breadth and height are not changed, but only length is the, if 3 cube, so triple, 2 cube, double, 4 cube, 4 times. So the volume of resulting cubite, length, breadth, height, 18 into 6 into 6. So one multiply this, so what you get? 216 into 3, 16 3 are 48, 3 are 6, 648 centimeter cube. If the question say find the total surface area of cubite, so total surface area of cubite 2 LB BH NHL, only we have to use the formula, nothing else. Then 2 into 80 into 6, 6 into 6, 6 into 18. Length, breadth, height, length. So you can see 18 6 108, 36 108, 2 into 108 216, 246 to 52 6 into 4 504 centimeter square is the total surface area of cuboid. I hope you understand that here we have to use three formulas: volume of cuboid, volume of cube, volume of cuboid, and total surface area of cuboid. So what we have to see that you also observe that if you know the formula, so you have to solve the question easily. Otherwise, it is very difficult to solve the questions. Pause the video, note down. Let's see next question. So, in class 9, you also study the same chapter, and I think that you all able to use direct formula for the question. Just like if I say कि radius given, find the volume of sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, the value of r is put here and you get the volume, or you get the total surface area, or you get the net surface area, curved surface area for any figure. Means for all the questions you have to use the direct formula based question. Means if value given, you can solve the question. But this is possible when you have to learn the formula. Otherwise, in mensuration part, you are unable to do anything if you don't know the formula. Just like in the border, you have to gun, but no bullets. So gun is your mind, your pen, your paper, but bullet is the formula for mensuration. Means bullet is nothing, so बंदूक ले क्या करेंगे, घूमेंगे ऐसे. So let's see, we have solved the question. Volume of two spheres are in ratio 64:27. Find the ratio of their surface area. You have taken the basic question, but little bit up from the level of 9th. Okay, so two spheres, volume of sphere 1 upon volume of sphere 2 is equal to 64:27. You want to find the surface area of sphere 1 upon surface area of sphere 2. We want to find the ratio of their surface area. So, firstly, what we want, we have to simplify them. Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. That is R1 and R2. 4 pi is cancelled. If we know the value of ratio, value of radius, you can solve the ratio. So use here 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. First sphere, second sphere. 64/27. This is a 2, means R1, R2 different radius. This is the cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. R1 by R2 cube. Both have the same power, so we can use whole power 3. 64/27. R1 by R2 is equal to 64/27 in square root. 64 square root you can use directly, or we 4 by 3. If you don't know, so 4 into 4 into 4, 3 into 3 into 3, 4 by 3. Means the ratio of their radii is 4:3. If the question says what is the ratio of the radii, 4:3. Then put this here. 4 by pi cancel. R1 by R2, this is whole square because power is same. And R1 upon R2 is 4 by 3 whole square, 16 by 9. 16:9 is the ratio of the surface area of sphere when the volume ratio is 64:27. Pause, we note down. These also some different question. The diameter of the garden ruler is 1.4 meter and it is 2 meter long. How much area will cover in 5 revolution? If you see in my first question based on cube and cuboid, second on sphere, and third is on cylinder. Roller is in form of cylinder of radius, diameter 1.4 meter, so radius 0.7 meter, or you can say 7 by 10 meter, and the height of the roller is 2 meter length, or you can say height. For the cylinder formula, their long is height. How much revolution will get? The 5 revolution. If I say this is a roller and started from the cap line, this is the first revolution. Started from here. One, two. You want to talk about 2. Means in 2 revolution they reach here from here, and this area to be covered, and this area is only the circumference of roller, because the curved part is touches the ground and the curved part is the surface touched, and this surface is equal to the 2 round curved parts of this marker, and this marker is cylinder. Means the area covered in 5 revolution is equal to 5 curved surface area of roller. 5 times. This is 2 times. Means you can say area covered in 5 revolution by roller is equal to 5 into curved surface area of roller. Means the curved surface area is the 1 times rotation. 5 times revolution, so 5 into 2 pi RH is the formula. 5 into 2 into 22 by 7 into R, 7 by 10 NH2. Before solve the question, first you see that all are the units same. Radius in meter, height in meter, so both same. So without any problem you can solve it. 7 cancel, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 into 22 means 2 into 44 meter square area covered by roller in 5 revolution. Okay, pause it, note down. One more basic question of class 9th. I hope so. You have to see the figure and you say, and before my write the question, you have to set your mind. First question cuboid, second question is sphere, third question is cylinders, fourth question is hemisphere or cone. So we have to take the combined question. Cone and sphere, hemisphere is combined. They are called surmounted. What's mean? Cone is surmounted on hemisphere. My students don't know the meaning of surmounted. Means cone is put on hemisphere. This is cone, is hemisphere, put on it. So that surmounted means the base of both are same. Means if say this is the diameter 6 centimeter, so radius 3 centimeter is for both cone and hemisphere. If you take this is O, A, B, C, this is 90. What is the height of the cone? if I say height of cone is equal to h 7 minus r. This is h. Whole part is 7. So what is the height? Say this whole subtract this part. And what is the value of this? This is the radius of the hemisphere. If you remember my formula, not in your book formula, my formula when we explain video, the height of the hemisphere is the radius of the hemisphere. So if we subtract radius from this whole height, so we get only the height of cone. So that is 7 minus 3, that is 4 centimeter is the height of cone. So we can find the volume. But if you want to find the total surface area of the figure, so we have to find the value of slant height. So L is equal to, this is the slant height of cone. L square, the root R square. 4 square, 3 square, 16 plus 9, 25, that is 5 centimeter is the value of L, slant height. Firstly, find all the unknown things. What have to use in the questions font. So first, total surface area of solid. So what surface area here? That's the main topic. If you want to total surface area, so that means only the sum of the surface area of all faces. Surface area. So if you see the cone, there is this cone and this hemisphere. So in between no surface, only this upper cone surface and this lower hemisphere surface. This is called the CSA of hemisphere and this is called the CSA of cone. So this is paste. So CSA of cone and CSA of hemisphere, join them. So we have to find the total surface area of figure. Just like this. So CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Cone pi RL, hemisphere 2 pi r square. Radius is same, so we can take RR pi r common, L plus R. Put the value 22 by 7 and R is R 3 and L is 5, R is 3. So 22 by 7 into 3 into 8. Multiply them. 528. So 75.42 centimeter square is the total surface area of solid. Then we find the volume of solid. You know, for the volume case is very easy. One cone, one hemisphere. Join total volume, add them. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Only all problems in the surface area. Cut है, down है, surmounted है, scooping है. They all are if current surface area. Volume is also easy. Add them all the figures. So cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. So pi r square by 3 common. Here h remain and here 2r remain. We take the common for the simple solution. Then we put the value 22 by 7 and r value is 3. 3 into 3 and upon 3 is same. Anything missing, you have to sing. H5 H4 plus 3, 2 into 3. Solve then. 3 cancel, nothing. 66 by 7 into 2 3 are 6 plus 4 10. So 660 by 7, that is 6 7 9 3 7 4 28 0.2 7 14 8 centimeter cube is the volume of resulting solid. Okay, I hope you understand. Pause the video, note down.